Okay, so second task, we need to capture all structures in our task area like so. So we 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 6 buildings to capture. So let's start from this. Let's start from this building. So you need to make sure that your base is drawn properly, okay? Like so, and then make an imaginary square or rectangle. This is very important, guys. Draw the edge, and let's proceed to matching. So yeah, 3, 1, 2, 3. Oh, sorry. Again, 1, 2, 3. So let's proceed to this one. Connect, make an assist line like so. Okay, so a little bit more, and let's capture the panels like so. And again, this one. Make sure you are connected, and like so. So for purple panels, guys, we will just use the auto fix later. And then lastly, the chimney. So when capturing chimneys, first you need to draw it separately away from the main building, like so. And just drag it to its proper location. So it doesn't matter if if you have drawing issues, so you can just adjust it later on. So let's proceed to matching. So here it is, and just drag again. So if you are having a hard time clicking this one, just press this panel and then press J. So J will just hide the panel so that we have access to this one. Okay, so again, J, just remove the base and then press J again to return the panels. So we need to make sure, guys, that the walls are matched with the main building. So how to match the walls? First, select one panel group, press J, and then we need to select the main building. So we need to copy this base. So select this one and then press 6. So as you can see, uh, the chimney just automatically adjusts with the main building. And then let's use F4 to use auto fix. Remember, guys, when fixing your chimneys, always use auto fix. Okay, so next, we are done with this one. Oh, sorry, I forgot to add the corner. So when drawing corners, guys, I suggest select a view that has same orientation with your main building. So let's select other views. Okay, so select this one. Okay, so select this one. Okay, so press 9 and left to insert it to its proper location. And then draw the corner like so. 2, 3, 4. And we are done. Don't forget to group. Okay, so let's draw the next simple building. So, mhm. So when drawing a building such as this one, just use E, the E tool, okay? So draw the ridge, proceed to matching, and let's capture the main building. So just use S tool. So don't forget to group, use F4 to remove this purple panel. Purple means, guys, it's not aligned with your base, with your wall. So this panel, it needs to be aligned with your walls. So if AutoFix does not work, you can manually adjust this one, select, and then press Shift Y so that it will adjust. Okay, so we are done. Next is to draw, let's draw the corners. Okay, so we'll just use this one. So use your right. Okay, so again, insert and use the uh, draw the panel, draw the corners, like so. Okay, so again, and we are done. So don't forget to group. Next, you'll draw this one.